Hey everyone, it's Jasmine. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious crispy prosciutto and vegetable pasta in 15 minutes. We're actually making this today with Blue Apron. Shout out to Blue Apron, who is our sponsor for today's video. I've actually been using Blue Apron for a couple years now, and now that I'm running around filming content, helping run my mom's coffee shop, this has really made things a lot more efficient. They have meal kits and pre-made meals, which I have found very helpful. I skip a lot of meals when I'm at the coffee shop, so the pre-made meals come very much in handy. I'll talk a little bit more about this later. For now, let's get cooking. It always comes with recipe cards, so let's pull the one for today. Crispy prosciutto and vegetable pasta. Starting with the prosciutto, 1 zucchini, 1 bell pepper, 4 ounces of grape tomatoes. Look, already pre-portioned, so nice. Cooked orzo pasta, and then our bag of knickknacks. This makes things extra easy. You just open it up, and this is where all the smaller things are. And again, pre-portioned to make it extra easy. Mascarpone cheese, crushed red peppers, and this is the roasted garlic pesto sauce. It's supposed to look like this, so let's make sure all these veggies are chopped up. And voila, everything is now prepped. We have our sliced prosciutto as well as our diced zucchini, halved tomatoes, and diced bell pepper. Let's get to cooking. Adding some olive oil to my pot here. And then let's add in our sliced prosciutto. And we're just gonna cook this until it's nice and crispy, making sure to break apart any of these clumps. And it should crisp up within 2 to 4 minutes. The recipe definitely says to take a piece out and sneak a bite. Delicious. I'm just gonna remove these and transfer to a paper-lined bowl. And we're gonna add in our diced zucchini, our halved tomatoes, our peppers, adding in our crushed red pepper flakes. And we're gonna cook for a couple minutes until they're soft. I love a colorful meal. Because I've been so busy, it's really hard for me to get creative in the kitchen and just put as much effort as I used to into cooking. And don't get me wrong, I still do, but there are some weeks where my schedule is just insane. So having Blue Apron with the meal kits is so convenient. I don't have to plan anything. The ingredients are there, they're measured out, and the recipes are always so good. They have so many options, which I love. Actually, one of my favorite parts going on Blue Apron is just browsing the menu and being like, ooh, I want this, and then I wanna try this. It's a really good opportunity to try entrees from cultures that I typically don't cook or have ingredients in my kitchen. All right, this looks amazing. Let's add in our cooked orzo pasta, our mascarpone, our garlic pesto sauce, adding in a 1/4 cup of water. And I'm just gonna stir it all up until that pasta is heated through and all the sauces are melded together. I'm gonna season with a bit of salt. And because I like things a little spicier and I have free will, I'm gonna add some more crushed red pepper. That's another great thing about the meal kits. You can customize it when you're at home. You're still cooking from home. You just got a little bit of help to make things more convenient. All right, guys, let's plate this up. Yum. This looks so good. And last but not least, we're gonna top with our crispy prosciutto. And then it's time to eat. I made this so fast, didn't I?
You made it hella fast. It's like you ordered it.
Right? Doesn't it look like it's from a restaurant? It looks so good.
It looks amazing. It looks like the picture.
Thanks, babe. It was really easy. I just followed the directions. All right, let's give it a try.
I smelled this from across the room. I was like, oh man, cheers. Oh, the spice? That was good.
I added extra.
I don't even want to talk right now.
Really?
This is so good. But prosciutto, the prosciutto is nice and crispy.
This is something we would never cook ourselves.
Never.
So easy, so convenient. I love that there was literally zero planning involved. The ingredients were all measured out for me, eliminated all the grocery trips I needed to do this week. And this is perfect for someone who's busy, someone who wants to try new foods, new recipes. Just yesterday, we were eating one of the pre-made meals, which was really handy for us. George is in meetings all day, every day, no joke.
Back to back to back.
It's actually crazy because I always am like, okay,
okay, if you're in meetings all day, when do you have time to do the actual work? Anyway, it's also handy for a couple like us who travels a lot. So for Blue Apron, you can just skip when you're gonna be out of town. That way you don't have to worry about food waste. So flexible.
I feel like this is really fun because we would have never made something like this.
That's what I said.
It's like opening my world.
All right, this was so good, guys. We're gonna take these bowls off camera, maybe enjoy it in front of the TV so we can relax a little bit.
There's not much left for me to enjoy.
I know, slow down.
I can't, it's so good.
If you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time.
Bye.